Good morning, children. Let us recall what we have learnt in our previous class. We learned that the seed has external part and internal part. The external part of the seed consists of seed coat and hilum. The internal part of the seed consists of cotyledon and embryo. And also we learned that the seeds are classified on the number of cotyledons into monocots and dicots. Today we will learn about germinating seeds. The aim of the class is to deduce the necessary factors for germination of seed. Today's keyword we are going to learn is optimum temperature. Okay, why don't pulses and cereals sprout in the containers? How do we sprout seeds? What is needed for the seeds to germinate and grow into new plants? Let us find out these answers by designing an experiment to investigate the conditions necessary for germination by placing the seeds in 5 tubes. So, name the tubes. So, first tube A, name or label the tubes, test tubes. In first test tube, in a set A or labeled A test tube, you have to take few seeds and keep it on moist cotton and keep this in refrigerator. That means seeds on moist cotton kept in refrigerator. Test tube B, keep some few seeds coated with oil in a test tube. Next, test tube C, keep few seeds in a moist cotton in the presence of light. Test tube D, keep few dry seeds on a dry cotton. Test tube E, keep few seeds on a moist cotton and keep this in dark. So here try to observe the samples carefully and draw a table and try to write your observation in this table. So if you look at this picture carefully, you can see that in test tube C and test tube E, the seeds are sprouted. So here, why the seeds are sprouted in test tube C and E? Because these seeds were provided with air, water and warmth. And now, why do you think the seeds did not germinate in other sets? Why seeds did not germinate in other sets? A, B, D. Why the seeds did not germinate in these sets? Why? Because seeds did not germinate in set A due to low temperature. Because this set A test tube was kept in refrigerator. In set B, the seeds were coated with oil, so oil did not allow the air to contact. So set D also seeds did not germinate as it is not having water. So finally what we can understand is that there are some factors, some conditions missing in this set A, B and D. That is why seeds did not germinate in set A, B and D. But seeds germinated in set C and E because they had all conditions to grow. So finally what we can conclude is that all the conditions are necessary for the germination of seeds, and those conditions are right amount of temperature, light, moisture and water. And you know one thing, this set A, when we talk about set A, instead of keeping in refrigerator, if you keep on the oven, will the seeds will germinate? No, it will not germinate because oven has high temperature, 50-degree temperature. So seeds cannot germinate on a high temperature and low temperature. Seeds can only germinate in a right amount of temperature, and that right amount of temperature is known as optimum temperature. In our keyword we have seen optimum temperature means the right amount, the maximum and minimum amount of temperature which helps the plants to grow is called optimum temperature. So now let's see the table. If you look at the table carefully, set A, B, C, D, E, 5 tubes were there, 5 sets were there. In these 5 sets, did the seed germinate? In set A, did not germinate, set B, set D. But seeds germinated in set C and E. Seeds germinated in set C and E because they are having all the conditions. But if you look at carefully, in a set A, right amount of temperature was not there because it was kept in refrigerator, so seeds did not germinate. And in set B, oil was there, so air cannot contact with oil, so there was no germination. Now in set D, similarly in set D also, seeds did not germinate because water was not there. And now here, but in set E, if you look at light is a condition missing. Even though it is missing, seeds are germinated. Yes, true. Light is not a necessary factor for seeds to germinate. It can germinate in dark as well as, because light is only to give warmth for germination. So light is not necessary for germination. If you want to confirm what I said, you can design an experiment by yourself. You can keep few seeds on a moist cotton and keep it in a dark place and see that the seeds will germinate. So by this you can understand that light is not a necessary factor for germination of seed. Light is only needed when the complete source system of the plant develops, and during photosynthesis light is very important for the plants. Anyhow, light is not necessary factor for germination of seed. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Seeds are germinated in set C and E because they are provided with air, water and warmth. Seeds did not germinate in set A due to low temperature. Set B, seeds did not germinate because due to absence of air, as oil prevents contact of seeds with air. In set D, due to absence of water, seeds did not germinate. The seeds would not have germinated if they are kept on high temperature on oven because they need a right amount of temperature to germinate. So the right amount of temperature is known as optimum temperature. Light is not a necessary factor as seeds can germinate in dark. Light may help in giving warmth for germination. So air, water and optimum temperature are necessary for a seeds to germinate. Now let us see a small video clip. Now let us watch a short video clip.
Some seeds need light to germinate. Others need darkness. But all the seeds need oxygen, moisture, the correct temperature in order to germinate. Once the conditions are appropriate, the plant inside starts to grow.
See Exceed Brain Trickler. Is soil needed for germination? Why do we sow seeds in the soil to grow plants? Find out answer. Do it yourself. Finish S2. Finish page practice question 4, practice question 5 from the Exceed content book and write observation in your notebook. Take 4 dishes. Dish A, add seeds and oil. Dish B, keep seeds in a moist cotton in dark place. Dish C, keep dry seeds. Dish D, keep keep seeds in a moist cotton under light. Write down observation in your notebook. And read factors affecting germination from the exit content book to summarize today's learning. So there is a paragraph, this paragraph which is seen on your screen, it is there in your content book. You can refer that. It is seen on page number 4, first paragraph. Thank you. Have a